Hello and welcome back to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a rich traditional Indian sweet, Besan Suji Laddu. Soft, nutty and melt in your mouth. This festive favorite is perfect for celebration or simply enjoying with your family. First sieve 1 cup besan in a bowl. Take 1 cup suji. Add 3 tablespoons ghee. Mix well. Laddus are one of the oldest sweets in South Asia, with history dating back over 2000 years. Pour in half cup water and knead into a dough. Suji adds texture while besan gives a nutty flavor, making this combination unique. Laddus are often made during festivals like Diwali, Eid and weddings. Shape into small pieces. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee. Roast 2 tablespoons each of cashew nuts, almonds, pistachios and raisins for 1 minute on low heat. The word laddu comes from the Sanskrit word lattika, means small balls. Keep aside. Now heat some oil and fry the besan suji shapes on medium heat. Fry the besan suji mixture on medium heat only. Too hot oil will burn it. Fry for 7 to 8 minutes until lightly golden. Let them cool completely. For the sugar syrup, boil 1 cup sugar with 1/3 cup water until it reaches 1 string consistency. Sugar syrup consistency is key. 1 string ensures perfect binding. Keep aside. Break the fried pieces into small bits. Then blend into a coarse mixture. Always cool the mixture completely before blending for base texture. Gradually pour the warm sugar syrup. Mix well and add the roasted dry fruits. Besan is rich in protein and gluten-free. Suji is easy to digest and provides sustained energy. Nuts and raisins add healthy fats, fiber and natural sweetness. Homemade laddus are free from artificial colors and preservatives. Finally, shape into beautiful laddus. Grease your hands with ghee before shaping the laddus to avoid sticking. Sweet, nutty and wholesome, these Besan Suji Laddus are a true delight for every occasion. Try this recipe at home and surprise your family with a traditional treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Which is your favorite festival sweet? Laddu, barfi or halwa? Let us know in the comments below.